Hey, and welcome to another day in my life. So you see what I had to stop and get me, right? I had to go to the EP and get my delicious coffee. So come along and join me. I am getting ready to head to Lowe's. A couple things that I'm trying to check out right now. I'm not sure if I am going to make a purchase. But, however, I am headed there. So you guys come along, okay? Come along and join me. So I am here right now at Lowe's, and I am going over here where the flowers are. I absolutely love beautiful flowers this time of the year. So I'm going to see what they have. Are there any particular ones that I really like? No, not really. However, they are all absolutely stunning, y'all. Look at these. I had these last year. These right here. I bought a couple of those last year. But the ones I have on my porch, I think those are in the inside. These are beautiful. Let me go in here, just take a look. It's close to about 90 degrees here. And it's really hot. The ones I have on, this is the one I have on my porch. Right here. It's gorgeous. But I'm looking for something in particular. Got the flowers. I mean, these huge flower pots. They're beautiful. No, but we need some more rocks for our driveway. And I wanted to come here and check some things out to see. Okay, here we go. Okay, I know. How much are these? This is what we've done our steps with. When you first walk on our steps, we bought these, but they're only like $1.78, so that's a good deal. But I'm looking for some white rocks. Or is this where we got them from a few years ago? So I'm trying to figure that out. I don't know, y'all. Anyway, it looks like I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. We did say we was gonna get some more of those, but I'm definitely not gonna get any today. Oh, this would be beautiful near our shed. Those are gorgeous. if they don't have them, oh, these flowers are dying. Oh my goodness. Look at this. They're dying. I mean, I know they water them every day. It looks like I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. So, maybe anyway, you guys, I don't have what I'm looking for. The little small white rocks that I have in the front of my yard, and we've had them there for years now, and they're starting to fade. So we need another coating of rocks to go on top of those. So I'm going to go and look online to see where I can get those from. Stay tuned. These are the rocks I was referring to that I have in my front yard, but it's been down here for at least 3 or 4 years, and I need some new ones because they are starting to fade, and I am going to look online to see who has some, because right now currently it's hard for me to find some. But yeah, as you can see, they've been down here for a while. So yeah, I need to get the grass out of the rocks. But yeah, these are the ones that I was referring to, and these are the steps that I was showing you earlier at Lowe's, and I said I have some in my front yard. Yeah, so stay tuned, everybody. So I'm back home getting things done. I done washed a couple of loads of clothes, folded one load. Now I'm working on the second load of clothes that I gotta fold and put away. So you guys, join me. I hope everyone is having a fabulous, wonderful day today, because here in the Carolinas, y'all, it's been hot, like 90+ degrees here. So, you know, it's important to stay cool and stay hydrated at all costs. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I had a couple things I had to do, and I took care of that at Lowe's. However, I couldn't find what I was looking for. Those white rocks that go outside. Those right there are kind of hard to find, but I do know we have them here in our little small town. So if they don't have them online here, I'll probably have to go somewhere else, maybe Rocky Mount or maybe Greenville or something like that, because they have a bigger selection than we do. We're just a little small town, so we don't have a lot, but I can get whatever I need in this little small town, you know what I'm saying? So pretty much it is what it is. So with that being said, let me get these clothes folded and come along and join me as I get it all done, okay? just about done. My socks. As you can see, got it all done. Yes. Okay. But anyway, yeah, so I got that done. And in about an hour, I'm going to get ready to get dinner started. So, of course, my husband loves chicken. So we're going to have baked chicken and rice, which is his favorite. So that's what we're having for dinner. I hope you guys have enjoyed this this video. And don't forget to hit a thumbs up, okay? And subscribe. And until the next video, bye-bye.